Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sort files inside your Google Drive. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, go to drive.google.com, and once you're here, you'll be able to see all the different files that is inside Google Drive. And if you've been using Google Drive for a while like myself, you may find you have a lot of different files and that it can make it hard to find what you're looking for. Fortunately, Drive has a lot of built-in features to help you find the files you need and keep your files organized. So for example, if you're looking for a particular file, you can use the search bar at the top. Just click on the bar and type what you're looking for. So for example, I'm going to type in the next morning. I'm going to type in the next morning in Farrington. Let's see if it can search for this file, which it has here. So it's a text, it's a Word document here. So you can use that to search for particular files. And also, once you're here, you can preview the file as well. So if you want to preview the file, click on the three dots here, and there should be a preview. Yeah, so if you go open with and preview, you'll be able to preview the file before you open it. Right, if we head back to the home of Google Drive, sorting is another useful feature inside here. For example, you can sort your files alphabetically from A to Z, or from Z to A, or by when they were last modified. This can be really helpful when you're looking for a file you edited last week or even last year. You can also use filters, which is similar to the search option, but they're a little bit more broad and can help you narrow down your files if you're not quite sure what you're looking for. So if you click on where it says type, you can filter by documents, spreadsheets, presentation, forms, etc. and try to narrow down your search. So if I go ahead and click on spreadsheets, it will just show me all spreadsheets. Or if I go ahead and click on documents, it will just show me all documents. Now if we head back to home, you can also filter inside by files or folders. So if you've got folders in there, you can click on folders to show the folders inside your Google Drive as well. And if you want to create a new folder, click on where it says new and then click on new folder, and then you can call this folder any name you like and click on create. And now once that folder has been, there you go, I've created that folder, and then I can drag particular files into that folder. So if I want to drag that into there, this one, it's a bit laggy. And if you've got multiple documents you want to put in that folder, you can hit Control and then left click on different files and then drag them into that folder to help organize your Google Drive a little bit better. Also, if you want to get rid of any documents inside here, you can just click on the three dots and then click on move to bin, and then that will send that document to the bin inside Google Drive. And another cool feature, you can click on the three dots. If you want to share it with someone, just go ahead, click on share again, or copy link and send that link directly to the person. Send it via email or WhatsApp or anything like that. And then that person can look at your file from their end. All right, that's it for this guide. Hopefully this helps you